over. I ain't worried about nobody, man, shout out to Hova. Who done taught me a lesson? Who done taught me life? Who done taught me how to roll round, big pimpin' hype? And I've been going so hard in this motherfucking booth. What the fuck you think I'm doing, nigga, letting it loose? And I be on this mic until that other mic drop, until that motherfucking make the beat rock. Watch me get it. I'm too throat at what I do, yeah, you couldn't stop me. Even if they put a full stop to wreck and rockin', I ain't worried about that other shit. I be on that other shit, sister shit, make me and brother shit. Yeah, and I be going so hard. Y'all niggas ain't really want me to get the fuck off, but fuck it, I'm about to lay it down. And I'm about to come through, swing a whole round, and make it go down, make it go down, make it go down, make it go down, make it go down. Yeah. My mind is corrupted by the shit that I grew up from. My mind is corrupted by the shit that I grew up from. Everybody see me, but nobody ever touch none. I be going hard till the shit gon' stop. And everybody know me, bitch, I'm gon' rock. And I be getting on, I be getting on. Y'all niggas really don't wanna see me get on. Just watch me as I make the club stop, drop and roll. Cause this shit fire, nigga, go and grab a pole. Cause everybody sippin' on some Grey Goose, and everybody tryna let loose. Bitch, get your chest soup, not the whoop. But I ain't really rickin' about the shit, neither blue. And I be going hard, nigga, I don't really bang, but I still hold it down, bitch, I'm a slang. Throw and let that shit go. 10, a dime bag, bitch, fuck who knows. And I be going hard, yeah, fuck the laws too. And I ain't worried about nobody, bitch, this is all that I do. Rap.